Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe something you received for free. You should say what it was, who you received it from, where you received it, and how you felt about it.
A few weeks ago, I received a free sample of a new brand of coffee from a local grocery store. The sample was a small packet of ground coffee, and it was given to me by a store employee who was promoting the new product. I received the sample at the entrance of the grocery store, where the employee was handing them out to customers as they entered. I was surprised and happy to receive it, as I love trying new types of coffee. I felt excited about the free sample because it gave me the opportunity to try a new product without having to spend any money. I also appreciated the gesture from the store and the effort they put into promoting the new brand of coffee. I went home and brewed a cup of the coffee, and I was pleased with the taste. I ended up purchasing a full bag of the coffee on my next trip to the store, so the free sample was a successful marketing tactic for the brand. Overall, I was grateful for the free sample and enjoyed trying the new coffee. It was a small gesture, but it made my day a little bit brighter. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.